How to combine videos on Instagram Reel. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's jump right into the video. So first and foremost, open your Instagram application, then log into your account, then straight head to your add to your story, swipe it down and switch to the Reel option. Now what you will do here is you will select any video of your preference. I'll be selecting this random one here. Now once again tap on edit video option, or you can also tap on add clips. Now from here tap on add clip option and select the second video or the any other video that you want to combine. Here I have selected this one random as well. Now in order to manage the section of the videos, just tap on the clip, then select the split option and hit the delete icon, and you have to do the same for the second videos as well. So you can just adjust it like this, and if you give it a play, this will look something like this. You can combine as much as video as you want and arrange the placement according to your preference. We hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.